Hey everyone, I'm Jessica. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of weights in neural networks. This topic is crucial for understanding how AI learns and improves. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more web dev, and AI content. Without further ado, let's explore the fascinating world of weights. Weights are the values assigned to connections between neurons in a neural network. They determine the strength of the signal being passed between neurons. As we discussed in our video on activation functions, these signals are essential for determining whether a neuron fires or not. By adjusting the weights, we can influence the network's overall behavior and performance. During the training process, weights are adjusted to minimize the difference between the network's output and the desired output. By fine-tuning these weights, the network can learn complex patterns, improving its performance on various tasks. The ability to adapt and optimize these weights is a fundamental aspect of neural networks and AI learning. As we touched on in our video about training neural networks, gradient descent and backpropagation are key techniques for adjusting weights. Gradient descent optimizes the weights to minimize the error, while backpropagation calculates the gradient of the error with respect to each weight. Understanding these techniques can help you fine-tune your neural network and achieve better results. Learning patterns is key. Overfitting happens when the model is too complex, underfitting when too simple. Regularization techniques like L1 and L2 can add penalty to loss function to prevent overfitting and promote generalization. Choosing good initial weights for a neural network boosts performance and speeds learning/convergence. We've just explored the importance of weights in neural networks and how they contribute to AI learning. By understanding weights and their role in training, we can create more effective AI models. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment about your experience with adjusting weights in neural networks. Make sure to subscribe for more web dev, and AI content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.